a delicious mosaic celebrating the diversity of American cuisine. American cuisine is a vibrant tapestry woven from countless cultural threads. From the hearty stews of the Northeast to the spicy gumbos of Louisiana, each region boasts unique flavors and culinary traditions. Immigrants brought cherished recipes and ingredients, adapting them to the available resources of their new home. Today, American cuisine continues to embrace global flavors, with chefs and home cooks alike constantly innovating and reimagining traditional dishes. From coast to coast, iconic dishes and their origins. Let's take a culinary road trip across America, savoring 3 iconic dishes that embody the flavors of their respective regions. Our first stop is the Northeast for New England clam chowder, a creamy delight with fresh clams, potatoes, and cream. Next, we head to New Orleans for gumbo, a flavorful stew with shellfish, andouille sausage, and vegetables in a rich roux-based broth. Finally, we reach California for the innovative California roll featuring avocado, crab meat, and cucumber. These dishes represent just a small sampling of the incredible culinary diversity found across the United States. Simple flavors, big impact recipes to recreate at home. Bringing the taste of America to your own kitchen is easier than you might think. Here are simple recipes for the dishes we've explored. New England clam chowder. Ingredients: 1 onion, chopped, 2 potatoes, peeled and diced, 4 cups clam juice, 1 cup heavy cream, 1 6.5-ounce can minced clams drained, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Melt butter in a large pot over medium heat. Add onion and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. 2. Stir in potatoes and clam juice. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until potatoes are tender, about 15 minutes. 3. Stir in heavy cream and clams. Heat through but do not boil. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Simplified gumbo. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, ½ cup chopped onion, ½ cup chopped green bell pepper, 1 14.5-ounce condensed tomatoes, undrained, 1 10-ounce package frozen okra, 1 teaspoon Cajun seasoning, 4 cups chicken broth, 1 cup cooked shrimp. Instructions: 1. Heat oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add onion and bell pepper and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. 2. Stir in tomatoes, okra, Cajun seasoning, and chicken broth. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes. 3. Stir in shrimp and cook until heated through, about 5 minutes. Serve over cooked rice. California roll. Ingredients: 1 cup sushi rice cooked and seasoned with sushi vinegar, 4 sheets nori seaweed *, 1 avocado sliced, 1 cucumber cut into matchsticks, 4 ounces imitation crab meat, shredded, soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger for serving. Instructions: 1. Place a sheet of nori on a sushi rolling mat, shiny side down. 2. Spread a thin layer of sushi rice over the nori, leaving a 1-inch border at the top edge. 3. Arrange avocado slices, cucumber matchsticks, and crab meat in a line across the center of the rice. 4. Use the mat to roll the sushi tightly, starting from the edge closest to you. 5. Cut the roll into 6 to 8 pieces using a sharp knife. Serve with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. A world of flavor, American cuisine's global influence. American cuisine, with its openness to diverse flavors and innovative spirit, has left an undeniable mark on global food trends. The popularity of dishes like hamburgers, pizza, and fried chicken transcends borders, demonstrating the global appeal of American comfort food. The rise of food trucks, fusion cuisine, and experimental dining experiences can be partially attributed to the influence of American culinary culture. The future of American food is bright, promising a delicious fusion of tradition, innovation, and global influences.